Hello, friend. How are you all? I have brought you a special product which I am going to unveil to you now. Product name, AI 10K Commission Bots Review. Product description. Artificial intelligence has taken over the world, and it is no surprise that it has infiltrated the digital marketing space. The emergence of AI-powered tools has revolutionized digital marketing and has given businesses a competitive edge. One of these tools is the AI 10K Commission Bots. In this article, we will explore what the AI 10K Commission Bots are, how they work, their features, pros and cons, and whether they are worth the investment. Table of contents. What are AI 10K Commission Bots? How do AI 10K Commission Bots work? Key features of AI 10K Commission Bots: AI-powered traffic technology, automated affiliate funnels, DFY campaigns and content, 100% cloud-based. Pros of AI 10K Commission Bots: time saving, easy to use, no technical skills required, affordable pricing. Cons of AI 10K Commission Bots: limited customization options, lack of control over campaigns, no refund policy. Is AI 10K Commission Bots worth the investment? FAQs. Conclusion. 1. What are AI 10K Commission Bots? AI 10K Commission Bots is an AI-powered software that claims to help you generate commissions through affiliate marketing. The software is designed to help you drive traffic to your affiliate links, build your email list, and generate sales. The tool comes with pre-built campaigns and content, making it easy for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. 2. How do AI 10K Commission Bots work? AI 10K Commission Bots works by leveraging AI-powered traffic technology to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. The tool also comes with automated affiliate funnels, which help to convert your traffic into leads and sales. The tool also offers DFY campaigns and content, making it easy for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. 3. Key features of AI 10K Commission Bots: AI-powered traffic technology. AI 10K Commission Bots uses AI-powered traffic technology to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links. The tool analyzes your niche and target audience to determine the best keywords and strategies to use for your campaigns. Automated affiliate funnels. The tool comes with automated affiliate funnels, which help to convert your traffic into leads and sales. The funnels are designed to optimize the conversion process, ensuring that you get the highest possible ROI. DFY campaigns and content. AI 10K Commission Bots offers DFY campaigns and content, making it easy for beginners to get started with affiliate marketing. The tool comes with pre-built campaigns and content, which you can use to promote your affiliate products. 100% cloud-based. AI 10K Commission Bots is 100% cloud-based, which means that you can access it from anywhere in the world. The tool is compatible with all devices, including mobile phones, tablets, and desktop computers. 4. Pros of AI 10K Commission Bots. Time saving. AI 10K Commission Bots is designed to save you time. The tool comes with pre-built campaigns and content, which means that you don't have to spend hours creating your own content. The tool also automates the traffic and conversion process, saving you even more time. Easy to use. The tool is easy to use, even for beginners. The interface is user-friendly, and the tool comes with step-by-step tutorials to guide you through the process. Invest in your future today before this opportunity disappears. As I mentioned above, I can only work with a select few. Once I sell out my allotted licenses, this page will disappear. If you are serious about making a real income online that generates automatically, then this may be your only chance. Get in before the limited licenses sell out. Click the buy button for instant access to the AI 10K Commission Bots. Final opinion: AI 10K Commission Bots Review. We discussed this product and understood how to earn a commission with this product through affiliate marketing, so I request you to use this product. You will benefit a lot by using this product for your business. Thank you.